Hello everybody, welcome back to my Aadhaar learning video sessions. In this session, I'll be talking about the transformational power of Aadhaar technology and how it is going to change the way we live. Aadhaar is a government-funded project. During its development and implementation, the Indian government invested nearly 6,000 crores on it. Historically, government-funded projects have been able to transform the way people live, help them prosper, and unleash new world of possibilities. And Aadhaar is no exception. Let us list some of the projects which had a transformational impact. Sir M. Visvesvarayya's Krishnarajasagara Dam metamorphosed barren land of Mysore state, now part of Karnataka, into flourishing field. In the beginning of the last century, Visvesvaraya built this dam, which made irrigation possible in the previously barren land, and they transformed and they converted into wealthy farmers. Dr. Kurian's inspired cooperative movement converted penniless farmers into productive family heads by what is known as Nandini Milk today or Amul project. Dr. Swami Swaminathan's Green Revolution made nations self-sufficient in food and fed many hungry millions. Most recently, Sam Pitroda's C-Dot unleashed communication revolution through what most people recognize as STD booths that created lakhs of jobs and enabled people to talk to their kids and kins. So this way, government-sponsored projects have an impact on transforming the entire society which surrounds them. It is not only in India that a government-funded projects actually help people to get transformed. Even this phenomenon is worldwide. For example, the DARPA project of United States of America in the 1960s is the backbone of today's internet and web world. The satellite-based GPS system were designed by government as part of their defense and allied projects, but when released to public use, they helped in creating Google Maps and enterprises such as Uber. India is about to have its own satellite-based GPS system called Navik to be released soon. So this way, whenever a government with a vision invests a lot of money and energy and effort in a project such as Aadhaar or satellite system, that has a potential when it is released to public domain. And Aadhaar is now being available for the enterprises and other institutions for use and transform the business they may do. Latest in the list of such government-sponsored project is Nandan Nilekani's Aadhaar, which is heralding what I call a soft revolution in the lines of white and green revolutions of the previous decades. It is going to change the face of Indian enterprises and the way they operate and innovate. The green revolution enabled each farmer to grow efficiently, and while millions of farmers did so, it created a huge stockpile of agricultural produce. More importantly, it helped India to gain food independence. In a similar note, white revolution enabled a small farmer to contribute milk as less than a liter or even lesser, but in the process, the aggregated collection resulted in millions of liters of milk. The enterprise is now known as Amul, the taste of India. Going forward, Aadhaar infrastructure is enabling enterprises to unleash a software revolution which is as deep and as wide as the previous revolution, and perhaps even bigger and broader.